peace by the All Basotho Convention, Alliance of Democrats, Basotho National Party, Reformed Congress of Lesotho. On 3rd June 2017, Basotho came out in droves to once again exercise the prerogative to elect their new government in line with the call of His Majesty the King for a fresh election just over 2 years since the 2015 election. The election was observed by a wide spectrum of local and international observers, with a keen interest in whether Lesotho can elect a government that will bring about peace and stability to the country. We, the leaders of ABC, AD, BNP, and RCL, are fully cognizant of the mandate of the electorate to work tirelessly for peace and stability, as well as economic recovery and prosperity. We have invited the members of the press to announce that we accept in full and without any hesitation this profound mandate to assuage the long-standing aspirations of this nation. In this respect, we intend to form a government of all Basotho without any form of discrimination, a government that is committed to the rule of law, reunification of the nation, good governance, rebuilding and strengthening of the pillars of democracy, and abhors corruption in all its forms. We reject the divisive statements made deliberately to sow disunity in our communities. As a first step, we reunify the nation. We hereby declare our openness to work with other political parties which share the goal of a peaceful and well-governed Lesotho. We hope that those who will remain in opposition will do so loyally as democratic norms require. We have noted with concern statements to the effect that ABC will eliminate the defense force. We have noted with great concern stupid statements to the effect that ABC will eliminate the Lesotho Defense Force. And are we that stupid? And the army is part and parcel of the tapestry of this country. We trust that the members of these forces will see this as a mere falsehood. We are committed to moving quickly with security sector reforms so that we can protect the security forces from selfish politicians that preserve themselves in power using national institutions such as the LDF and the LMPS. This is the end of our joint statement. Gods of Buddha, Nala.